Hello and welcome. In this video we are going to take a look at the typing website typing.com. So in a browser of your choice, let's type typing.com in the address bar and click enter. It will take you to the typing.com homepage, and you can look at it. There are several links that you can explore. One of those is typing games, typing tests, but we are interested really in clicking on students, and it'll take you to another page where you can go to typing lessons. And you look at this page, there are lessons for all levels of learners: beginner, intermediate, advanced, practice, and different keys. If you are, it is really up to you. If you are comfortable with one key, you can skip ahead, and I'm here just showing you that if you practice typing J, if you're completely new beginner, the lessons are really short and sweet, so you can practice those and get used to running your fingers a certain way. And then the other thing is keeping track of your progress. How can you do that? If you can do it on your own, that's fine, but sometimes it's not that easy to remember where you left off last time. So on this website, it's really a good website. You can create a free student account which will help you to keep track of your progress. So here we'll go to, and I'm just creating a fictitious student, and say I just did test underscore student 1. Let's see if that works. No, so these names are taken, so I have to come up with a name that is not already taken. Let's try comp 030 underscore student. I think this is going to work for us. Okay, and then the next one is emails. It's optional, we can skip it. And then create a password, and I can just create any random password here. I just typed in comp134 and then hit create free account after verifying my password. Okay, see, now again it takes us to the lessons. You can start practicing them. So let's say if we go on the first lesson and I start typing, practicing my J, I do pretty good. And then I feel like, okay, I want to learn about the next key, next lesson, sorry, and I do that, I practice that. So it just involves the key and the space bar. Okay, now what if I feel like, okay, this is enough for me for today, and I just want to maybe come back to it another time. So I will just log out of my account, and that's about it. Now if you want to come back and sign in, like you want to access your account, you'll go to student login, click on it, and then username we just created, comp 030, sorry, underscore, oops, underscore student, and then the password that we created. Now also the other thing you need to do is try to write your password somewhere safe if you tend to forget it, because there's so many passwords to remember these days. And we will talk more about that later on. But see, it shows me when I log in again, it shows where I was and where I left off, and then you can pick up the lesson where you stopped working last time.